Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to walk you through how you can create survey account, and this video will be introduce you how you can use SurveyMonkey in 2025, and it will be a complete beginner friendly video. I will break down step by step process. Whether you want to collect customer feedback, do market research, or run quick quiz, SurveyMonkey is one of the easiest tool to build and analyze surveys. In this video, we will learn how to create surveys, then customize questions, then how you can share it, and the next or last is view and analyze your result. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to be do, so you just need to be create an account, and if you have an account, then you just need to be go to the login. So as you can see, we're already landed in surveymonkeys.com, and here you just need to be click on to sign up free. You just need to be click to the sign up for free. Once you click over here, then here they will ask for your Gmail and many more. So you can go with these options, it is the simplest one, or you can go with the manual one. It's totally depend on your preference. So I will go with these options. So I will click on this one. Once I click over here, then I will select my mail account, and then it will take a procedure, and then I will click on continue. So here you can see it has been done, and here you can see sign up with, you just need to be agree all this one. You just need to check this out and click on to the next. Once you click over here, then here eventually you can see that they will give you your Google account is not linked to a SurveyMonkey account. So here once you log into Survey, you can link your Google account, login an existing account. So in this way I will just click to the next, enter password. So I don't have any password, so that's why I will click on to the create account. Okay, we are glad you are here. So as you can see, it has been done, I think so. Let's see, is it really or not? So let's go. So I just need to be give some answer. I am using SurveyMonkey for work. I'm most interested in market research. I work in technology, or I can say consumer good. My role is research and insist. I'm creating a survey or from on my own. I use these tools regularly: Zoom, Slack, Zendesk, and click next. I hear about YouTube. So you can see start from scratch. You can take help from AI. So always choose the free plan. Once you find out that free plan is good, then you can upgrade yourself if it is needed advanced feature like logic jumps or custom building. So once you are in, you will land it on the dashboard. Here you can see it. So if you see the plan and pricing, here you can see it also. It is a $25 per month. You can go with this one we have. So it's totally depend on you if you want to shift to the premium plan. So this is the dashboard here. So now we are going to create a new survey. So here you just need to be click onto the start from scratch, or you can go with this create survey. Let's click to the create survey, and from that one you just need to be choose which you want. You can use start from scratch, you can go with pick a popular template, or you can go with any of them like copy paste your content, build target audience, whatever you want. It's totally depend on your preference. So I will click on this one, pick a popular template, then I will choose one of them, that is customer satisfaction template. It is premium, I may think. There you can see the customer satisfaction template. Yeah, it's good. Okay, which is the following? Okay, as you can see, this one is really amazing. So this way you can do your survey using this one. So now I will create a survey from the scratch. So let's go with start from scratch. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then it will take a while to creating the survey. Then here you can see they are asking for your question. So always give a title before you start any work. So I will give a title that will be survey, and it is optional, like you could choose a category like customer feedback, education, or research. It's totally dependent on you, it is not mandatory. So I will click onto the quiz, then click onto the save. Now you can do your work, like click create survey and move into the builder. So here the next step is to add questions. So you will now be in the survey editor. You just need to be click plus button to add questions over here. So you could go with multiple choice, you could go with the checkbox, you can go with open-handed comment box, then start rating, whatever you want. In the right corner you have this all these options as you can see, then like art scale, then drop down and more. Let me give one tip that is always used required to make sure people answer key questions. I hope you understand. You can also drag and drop to add in the question order. So next I'm going to customize survey design. So you just need to click to the theme to get this one. Here you can see this is the theme, we are already landed in here. So you can choose a pre-made color scheme, customize, then you can customize font, background, and button style. And also you could add your logo or business name if using a paid plan. So branding build trust, always you know it, I hope so, and also improve response rate. That's why I mentioned this one. So now we are going to talk about configure service setting, how you could do it. It is really simple. You just need to be click to the options. So let's create a survey before to enter your question. That will be how you find us. Then here enter an answer: YouTube, Facebook, Google, and that's it. Then here you can see it's got these questions, and add other options, add an other answer. It is not necessary. So here you can choose agree, disagree, strongly agree, no. I think select type will be this. Okay, it's already changed it. Again, let's try it. YouTube, Google, Facebook, and let's hide this one, which is not needed. Then click to the next question. You can add next question, or you could go with the same one. So point will be 1 1 1. No, I don't want any point, so I will remove this one. Then click to the save. Once I click to the save, then here you can see that our question has been done. So now I will click on preview survey, and here eventually you will get to preview your service. So here you can see how fine this was. So once you feel that it has been done, you can connect apps here. So you have these options: automate your next system. So it could go to the Microsoft Excel. So I will click on add row. So upgrade your plan to add Microsoft Excel. So if you want to use this one, you just need to be upload this one. Just go to the details and then click one. So how you can install it, you just need to click to install accesses, then click install at the top. So you can do it with this way. So here you can see their details. So this way you can add this one to your connect apps. Then here you can see the collect response, and here we have the options analyze results. So let's go to the design survey again, and here we will configure service settings. So say that for reason we just need to be click to the options. If I click to the options, then I will get options here. As you can see, couple of options. So from that place you just need to be made it quiz to on, enable quiz to on, then come back to this one. Here you can do whatever you want, like you can change that language, you can make it require. So you have these options to it. Then you can allow multi-response and progress bar, then thank you page or redirect after submit. This is where you tailor the user experience. Then next step, you need to be share your survey. So click collect response in the top menu. Here you can see collect response in the panel. Just click over here, and then here choose how you want to share. Target your ideal response, send survey to you. Just click this one, and here you can see you have couple of options: survey, share survey link, embedded on a site, send by text, by targeted audience, response sent by email, whatever you want. I will go with this one through email. I will select this one. Then here you can see this is the link we get. Let's try this one. Is it really working, the link, or not? So here you can see that our link is working. So I will select this one and click to the done. And here, want to create your own survey, you could do it. Thank you for taking this survey. As you can see, our survey has been done. So let me give you a tip that you can create multiple collectors to track which channel works best. It is really great. Then we are going to talk about view result and analyze. So you just need to go to the analyze result. Here you, next to this one, you will get this analyze result. Just select this one. Then you will get view response summaries. Then you could download the charts. Then you can filter response by questions, time, or collectors also. And also you could export result to CSV, PDF, and Excel also. Here you can see this is the answer we get till now. Here we have this all these options I already mentioned. So if you are on a paid plan, you could also get compared response side by side, use cross tab reports, then set up custom dashboard also. So let's wrap up the video here. I hope you loved this video. If you think this video was really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with a new excitement topic.